Tip 1. Frying fluffy eggs. First, carefully separate the egg whites and yolks. Separating them allows each part to be processed correctly. The yolks add richness and color, while the whites determine the fluffiness of the eggs. The bowl for the egg whites should be clean and dry for best results when beating. After separating the eggs, season the yolks with a pinch of salt and beat them until the salt is evenly distributed, making the eggs more flavorful when eaten. The egg whites are the most important part. Add a very small amount of sugar to the whites, then beat them gently and evenly with a whisk. The sugar does not make the eggs sweet, but helps stabilize the structure of the whites, making the air bubbles formed during beating more durable and less likely to break. When beating, there is no need to beat too vigorously or to the point of stiff peaks. Just beat until many tiny air bubbles appear, and the whites are slightly fluffy, smooth, and light. When the whites have reached a light fluffiness, return the yolks to the bowl and mix very gently with a spoon. Mix just enough to combine the two parts evenly. Do not stir vigorously, as this will break the air bubbles, causing the eggs to lose their fluffiness when fried. When it comes to frying, low heat is the key factor. Place the pan on the stove and set it to the lowest heat setting, then add just a drop of oil and spread it very thinly. Low heat allows the eggs to cook slowly, with heat gradually transferring from the outside in. When the egg mixture is poured into the pan, the air bubbles trapped in the egg whites gradually expand with the heat, causing the eggs to puff up naturally. Thanks to using little oil and not frying at high temperatures, the eggs do not absorb oil, dry out, or burn. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's great that we can connect with each other from all over the world. When the bottom is golden brown, gently fold the fluffy cake in half. The result is eggs that cook evenly from the inside out. The outside is firm and slightly crispy, while the inside remains soft, fluffy, light, and springy. When cut open, the egg yolk has a clearly fluffy texture, making it very pleasant to eat without feeling greasy. This is the secret to achieving the soft, fluffy texture of a restaurant-quality fried egg dish, even when using only a small amount of oil. Tip 2. Cooking egg soup. First, chop the vegetables into small, even pieces so they cook quickly and release their natural sweetness into the broth. Peel the carrots, cut them into small pieces or thin slices to retain their color and soften quickly. Peel the onions, slice them thinly, then sauté them in hot oil to bring out their aroma and sweetness, creating a flavor base for the whole pot of soup. Remove the stems from the shiitake mushrooms and slice them thinly so they cook easily and release their aroma. Wash the green onions and cilantro, chop them finely, and add them at the very end after turning off the heat to preserve their fresh aroma. Green onions add a mild fragrance, while cilantro helps balance the richness of the eggs, making the soup lighter and easier to eat. It's great to connect with people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Turn on the stove and add olive oil. Next, add the onions. Shred about 150 grams of chicken meat. Choose the breast portion as it's leaner and easier to shred. Add the chicken breast to the pot. Stir quickly for 30 to 40 seconds to slightly firm up the meat. This step prevents the meat from becoming mushy when cooked for a long time and also makes the broth more flavorful. Then, add about 1 to 1.2 liters of water to the pot and bring to a boil. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of ground pepper. Stir gently to dissolve the seasonings evenly. Cover with a lid and boil for 20 minutes. While simmering, cornstarch is mixed separately with cold water and stirred thoroughly until completely dissolved. The cornstarch must be diluted beforehand. Never add dry cornstarch directly to the pot as it will cause lumps. Once the soup has reached the desired thickness, add the carrots and mushrooms and cook for a few more minutes until just tender. Do not add the vegetables too early, because simmering them for too long will make them mushy and discolored. When adding the starch, stir again before pouring because it settles quickly at the bottom. Pour slowly into the boiling pot and stir continuously so that the soup is evenly thick, slightly glossy, and smooth, without lumps. Prepare 2 to 3 eggs and crack them into a bowl. Stir well before adding to the soup pot. Pour the beaten eggs slowly in a thin stream while gently stirring in one direction with a spoon. The gentler the stirring, the larger, longer, and more beautiful the egg ribbons will be. As soon as the eggs touch the hot water, they will cook instantly, forming soft, smooth strands that spread evenly throughout the pot. Finally, add the green onions and cilantro, stirring gently. The residual heat of the soup is enough to bring out the aroma of the herbs while keeping them green and fresh. The finished product is a bowl of egg soup with a clear, slightly thick broth that is rich yet light, with soft, creamy eggs and a naturally sweet aftertaste that is very pleasant. This dish is particularly warming, easy to eat, and suitable for any meal of the day. Do you prefer fluffy fried eggs or smooth, creamy egg soup? Or do you have any other egg cooking tips you'd like to share? Please leave a comment below. I'd love to read it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like it to show your support, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with family and friends so we can all cook delicious, simple, and loving meals for our families every day. See you in the next videos.